We are in the middle of a heat wave, and I have decided I want to repot this plant in a slightly bigger pot because it is drying up so fast. And so I found a pot that is one size bigger than where it is right now. So I will repot this because it is always drying up so fast. I find that I am watering all the time. So here I am repotting in the middle of the heat. I am wearing this big hat because it is really hot out here, and I'm wearing a jacket just so that I won't get a sunburn, I guess. So join me in repotting on a hot day. So this is the pot I am going to use for this plant. This has been sitting in the corner of my house for a while now, empty. And this is perfect for this one. And we are just gonna put back the rocks that was here to support the trunk. And now it doesn't need to be supported anymore, but I think it looks pretty here, so I'm gonna put it back. And here we go. Looks nice. It's getting taller, and that's the spot where it used to be. It's going back to this spot. There's no better place for it but here. Bright and filtered light, sunshine coming through during the day when the blinds are open, and it's loving it here.